So we live in a world where there is a lot of demand for jobs. A lot of people are looking for jobs, just like probably you are, out there looking for a job. So it's very important, it's actually crucial that there's certain things you know on your professional journey, and that is how to attract and get noticed by recruiters. Whether you are a recent graduate, whether you're a professional that has a seasoned professional that has been working for some time, the strategies I'm sharing with you today will help you stand out in a crowded job market, and they will help you get seen by the people you want to see you. Hello, my name is Halima. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you with me today. And today I am happy because I want to share something very vital for your career growth and for your career progress. Today I'm sharing with you strategies for attracting recruiters. And I'll share certain strategies that I know if you put them into practice, definitely you'll get noticed by the big companies and the kind of places you want to work. So the first thing you need to do when it comes to attracting, recruiters, strategies that you can use. The first thing is crafting an irresistible online presence. Now, optimizing your LinkedIn profile is the number one thing I'm going to tell you to do. Why? Because LinkedIn is where a lot of recruiters often start their search for prospective employees. We have like over 900 million professionals on the LinkedIn platform. And statistics show us that about 352 of the 500 Forbes company CEOs that are on social media, 97% of those people are on LinkedIn. So you want to be on LinkedIn, and you just don't want to be on LinkedIn anyhow. You want to be sure that your profile on LinkedIn is optimized. So this is going to be a two-part series. I'm just going to talk to you basically on that profile, setting up, an irresistible profile on LinkedIn, and then we'll continue with other tips in the next video. So here are some of the tips, for creating a standout LinkedIn profile. The first thing you need to do is use a professional photo. Your profile photo should be a professional headshot, that shows your face clearly. You don't want, your face to be blurred or not well seen. Sometimes selfies could work, but I don't really recommend them because sometimes you don't really get the best. So take time, get a professional to do your headshot. The next thing is you need to write a compelling headline, and your headline should be concise, and it should highlight your professional skills, experiences, and your goals. So you need to show that this is what I can do, this is the experience I have, and this is where I want to be. Then you need to craft a strong summary. So use your summary to showcase your skills. That's the place you can show off a bit, and it's okay to do that. Show off your skills, your experience, your accomplishments. What have you achieved? So that you give a sense of your personality, and your values. It should be clear in your summary. Then the fourth thing you need to do is to customize your URL. That, has been made easy again by LinkedIn, but you need to be sure that it is shortened and it is something that people can easily remember when they want to track you, and all of that. Then the next step you need to do is to highlight your skills. So whenever you're interacting, make sure that you list your skills and get endorsements. It's important that you get endorsements from colleagues and clients, even if you have to ask for it. People that know you, they know what you can do. It's okay to ask that they endorse you. Then share your experience. List your work experience. So when you're putting out posts and all of that, you're highlighting accomplishments and key projects. Oh, I worked on this project. If you have photos and all of that, use it. So showcase your education. You got a new certification, put it out there. This is who I am. I'm now a certified this, and that. Oh, I just got an MBA, or I just got this, that, or the other. Anything that would help you. So include your educational background and any relevant certification or training that could be helpful or attract the right kind of people to you. I recommend that you add those that matter to the industry that you're playing in, or the industry you want to play. Then add multimedia. A picture, they say, speaks 1,000 words. So use pictures, use images, use videos, presentations to showcase your work and your skills. By following these simple steps that I have given you, I believe that you can create a standout LinkedIn profile, and it is the number one step to attracting the right kind of recruiters for the right kind of job that you want. I believe I've been able to help you with this video. Remember that part 2 of this video comes next week, when I'll be sharing some very important steps, other important steps that you can take to ensure that you get noticed by the right kind of recruiters. Thank you for being with me. If this video helped you, remember, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.